Worksoft Certify uses XF definitions and configurations to quickly and accurately determine how to interact with objects on your web application screens. A set of definitions and configurations is unique to each application under test, so we set up application presets to instruct Certify which set to use for our AUT. This video shows you how.
Hope you have seen the Application Presets Part 1 video on how to migrate from Autodetect to Application Presets. Now let's see how we can create a new application preset from scratch using the Configure Manually feature in this video. This option is generally used before starting automating a new web application. It helps Certify to automatically load the appropriate XF definitions and configurations and allows you to customize the essential web options for each website from a centralized location. When the Worksoft user prefers to use the Configure Manually option, the user must first ensure that the appropriate definitions and configuration files are available. If not, one can create those files by navigating to the Settings tab in the Certify Web Interface Options window. In this case, I am considering Gmail as the application under test. Next, we click on the New button in the Definitions section and give a name as per requirement. And click on OK. And we do the same for the configurations as well. Then we click on the Application Presets tab and click on the Add Application option. We make sure that the Configure Manually option is selected and give the application name. Next, we give the detection role by selecting one of the available options. In this case, I am considering the attribute as URL, the criteria as contains, and value as Google. And click on Save. Once this is done, we change the definitions and configurations under the General settings to the newly created Configurations and Definitions. Along with that, we update the context timeout under the resolution settings as per the application response time. And click on Save. To ensure that the application presets is created successfully, let's click the Verify with Web Learn option. Let's use the Touch Learn to select the application which you want to test. We can see that the current definitions and configurations mentioned in the Application Presets window are loaded on the bottom right corner as shown in the video. Thank you.
We hope you have found this short video to be helpful and informative. Please visit us online and on LinkedIn.